أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll learn the sixth kalima inshallah. Allahumma inni, stretch the lam because standing fatha is on the lam. Allahumma, stretch the noon because here is the long mad on the noon. Inni a'udhu bika, ayn, pronounce ayn from the middle part of throat. Zal, pronounce zal, pronounce zal from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. A'udhu bika min an ushrika, sheen, sheen like a whistle sound. Bika shay'an wa ana a'lamu bihi, ba, ba pronounced from the wet part of both lips. Wa astaghfiruka, ghain, ghain pronounced from the top part of throat. Wa astaghfiruka, ra, ra, bold the ra because here is the dhamma sign is on the ra. Wa astaghfiruka lima la a'lamu, la, stretch the lam because here is the long mad on the lam. La a'lamu bihi tubtu anhu wa tabarra'tu, apply a sudden break here because hamza has nothing on it. Wa tabarra'tu min al-kufri wash-shirki wal-kidhbi, the, pronounce the from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. Wal-ghibati wal-bid'ati, bid'ati ayn, pronounce ayn from the middle part of throat. Wan-namimati wal-fawahishi, ha, pronounce ha from the middle part of throat. Wal-fawahishi wal-buhtani, this ha, this one ha, pronounced from the bottom part of throat. Wal-buhtani wal-ma'asi, wal-ma'asi, sqad, sqad pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two and bottom two front teeth. Ma'asi kulliha, this one calf will not be bold because this calf have no dot. Kulliha wa aslamtu, seen sound is like a whistle sound. Wa aslamtu wa aqulu, qaf, bold this calf because here is the two dots on the calf. وَأَقُولُ لَا إِلَهَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ, pronounce the bold lam because here is the standing fatha is on the lam. إِلَّا اللَّهُ Muhammadur Rasulullah, this one lam will be bold because here is a standing fatha is on the lam. Rasulullah.